Welcome to Beautyistic. In today's video, we're reviewing the 28-inch Honey Blonde Ombre Lace Front Wig, a human hair wig designed for versatility and style. Whether you're new to wigs or a seasoned wearer, this product has a lot to offer, so let's dive into the details and see how it performs. This 13x6 lace front wig features a T1B30 Ombre Honey Blonde color, crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. It's a body wave wig known for its soft texture and natural shine. The wig comes with a 13x6 HD transparent lace frontal, providing a wide parting space, which is ideal for creating different styles, such as a middle or side part. The 200% density ensures a thick and full look. It also boasts adjustable straps and combs for a secure fit, making it adaptable to different head sizes. This wig is designed to be customizable. It can be dyed, straightened, and restyled to suit your preferences. When testing the 28-inch Honey Blonde Ombre Lace Front Wig, I found that the installation was quite straightforward, thanks to the adjustable straps and combs that helped it sit securely. The lace is incredibly fine, giving a more natural look around the hairline. The texture of the hair is soft and light, but still full enough to look voluminous. I styled it both straight and in its natural body wave, and both looks turned out well. The hair straightened easily, and the waves held up beautifully. However, one minor drawback I noticed is that while the wig can be customized, it's best to be cautious when dyeing it. The T1B30 color blend is delicate, and while it can be dyed, you should use color products designed for human hair to avoid damaging the ombre effect. Additionally, the lace may require some careful trimming to ensure a seamless fit, as it's larger than typical lace fronts. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros: soft, high-quality human hair that feels natural and luxurious. Versatile styling, can be curled, straightened, and dyed, offering plenty of options for different looks. 13x6 lace frontal offers a wide parting space for more natural styling. Adjustable straps and combs make it easy to customize the fit. Great for special occasions, like weddings or holidays, or just daily styling. On the flip side, the cons. Dyeing caution. While it can be dyed, the ombre effect may be altered if not done carefully. Lace trimming. The larger lace area may require some extra work for a perfect fit around the hairline. So, is this wig worth the investment? If you're someone who loves to change up your style and appreciates a natural-looking lace front, this wig offers great value for its price. The quality of the human hair and the flexibility it provides in styling are standout features. However, if you're looking for a low-maintenance option, you may want to consider alternatives with a pre-styled look that doesn't require as much customization. If you're interested in a more affordable option, there are several synthetic lace front wigs that can give you a similar look, though the styling and durability won't be on par with human hair. As for customer support, the company promises assistance in case any issues arise, and the wig is said to last between 7 to 12 months with proper care. While I didn't need to contact them directly, the brand seems dedicated to ensuring customer satisfaction. To wrap things up, the 28-inch Honey Blonde Ombre Lace Front Wig is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, versatile wig. It gives you the flexibility to change up your look and is perfect for those who want a natural and luxurious appearance. Just keep in mind the maintenance and styling considerations to get the most out of it. Before I go, if this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty enthusiasts can find this video. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best reviews for all your beauty needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay fabulous with Beautyistic.